The brain will allocate information to wherever you focus. So if you wake up every day and look for tinnitus, you're going to get louder and louder tinnitus. So step number one is like give it as much attention as you give the tip of your elbow. The sound can come and go. It's healthy and normal, just like your elbow. You don't have to get rid of your elbow. You don't have to look in the mirror at your elbow all day long. You don't have to rub a million ointments on your elbow. Your elbow just does what it does, and it's a part of you. The tinnitus is the same. It's allowed to be there. It's allowed to come and go. It doesn't need any extra emphasis. So what I would say is be really careful of, trying to fix it, trying to buy supplements for it, trying to use masking devices. Just let it be. Breathe into it, send it loving awareness, offer it your presence, and then move on with your day.